Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Worldcoin to Binance. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Binance app on your mobile. Over here, go to Assets, then tap on Deposit or Add Funds. After that, tap on Deposit Crypto. After that, tap on the search bar and type WLD. Then select Worldcoin from the list. Over here, select the Worldcoin network. Then tap on copy address. After that, go back and open your Worldcoin app. Over here, tap on the wallet section. Then tap on send. Over here, select the coin from the list. Then tap on crypto app. Then select World Chain Network from the list. And then select Binance from the list. Then paste the address you copied from Binance. After that, enter the amount of Worldcoin you want to transfer and tap on continue. Then just complete the on-screen instructions. So that's basically how you can transfer Worldcoin to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.